What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys, we'll be doing an unboxing of my new mannequin head, y'all. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it on camera so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. This is a raw uncut of what I've ordered. I will link everything down in the description box below of who I ordered it from and everything, how long shipping took, all that good stuff like that. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. But first, if you have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload. But without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Came in this big box. I got it from Unique Mannequins on TikTok. She also does have an Instagram as well. I will link her social medias down in my description box below so you guys can see exactly who I got this from. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like inside of the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. And this is what she looks like. This is the mannequin. She is cute. It looks similar to the one that I made on my channel but didn't turn out so good. But yeah, this is her. I'm gonna give it to look at you guys up close. You see the contour, and yeah, it overall it just looks amazing. I am super excited. Yep, so shipping really didn't take that long. I ordered this mannequin head, and literally I want to say either the next day, like later on in the next day, because I ordered this mannequin head at probably like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, and literally the next day, that evening, I got a notification saying that it was shipped. And yeah, it got here less than a week. It did go ahead and ship through UPS, and yeah, I love it. I cannot wait to put my wigs on it and style it and be able to have my sis, my new mannequin, alongside my journey. I like to give everything that I have a name, so I need to give her a name. But yeah, I will link her social medias and everything down in the description box below. So you guys, if you're looking to get a mannequin did, mannequin heads, you don't need them, but they do help when you are trying to be more presentable. Say you're a person who is an introvert and does not want to put yourself out there. You don't want to actually be in front of the camera. This is your go-to. This is going to be your top seller. This is going to be how you sell your wigs. And yeah, I am super excited about her. Just look at her. I love her. But yeah, this is my new mannequin head. I'm super excited to use her. I am going to be bringing you guys along my journey as I am relaunching my wig business. So you guys will see everything behind the scenes, and I will literally be sharing my entire journey with you guys. So if you want to be a part of this journey with me as I relaunch my wig business, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload. But until next time, you guys,